You are always one video away from creating your dream life. I've been creating content since I was 13, and I honestly wish that somebody would have told me to invest in equipment that makes your life easier. Welcome to my new series, Baby Steps to Becoming a Content Creator. I feel like I've always wanted to share this side with you guys, but I just haven't had the balls to. I have garnered over 873,000 people who support me online across all platforms, and I have worked with brands like Walmart, Razer, and so many more within the last year. Content creation is changing so fast, and over the last 10 years I've had to deal with so many different changes, not only within myself but also with different platforms, different algorithms. Girl, I was on Instagram before there was even Instagram stories. Let's get started. I'm going to tell you guys some of the best equipment I've used so far to create content and has made my life easier, because I am always looking for ways to make content creation, like my creative flow, simply just flow. That is how it should be. I shouldn't have to hit all these barriers and walls, and neither should you. We are going to start with the very obvious one, which is your phone. It is your all-in-one. You have easy access to post, research, create, and answer emails all in one device. Last year, before I invested in my Osmo Pocket, my MacBook Pro, my iPad, or whatever it is, I was able to score a $15,000 deal just using my iPhone. There was nothing else, no other devices that I needed. I just used what I had. Now, I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and would I recommend upgrading? Hell to the F no. Anyways, this phone gives me 3 different lenses to work with. One that's most popular is obviously the 0.5 lens. Wide angle lenses are just really popular right now, not just on filming on the iPhone, but even on like cameras that you're watching right now. If I take my little lens off, obviously like it's so much closer, but if I put you guys back, you see everything else. I never see anybody talk about phone cases and how they can help content creators other than them being MagSafe. This phone case, what I tell you guys, it's kind of embarrassing. I'm obsessed with these Torras phone cases. I'm never buying a new phone again, because if you look over here, this is my wall of Torras phone cases, okay? If you couldn't tell, they are actually magnetic. They don't just come in very, very cute colors, but they are so useful. This phone case stands up not just vertically, but also horizontally for me to film anywhere that I want. The metal ring is obviously magnetic. You guys saw my little AC unit being decorated by them. I never knew how important MagSafe products would ever be to me as a creator until I got my phone case. And when I got the phone case, I also invested in one of these. These are the MagSafe like iPhone tripod things where they stick and you twist them. So this is what this little tripod thing looks like. Now this can stick to pretty much any surface, versus the phone case only sticks onto magnetic surfaces. But when you combine them together, what surfaces can you not film on? Using these two together honestly just allows me to get whatever angle that I need to get, okay? When I am picturing an angle, or I know that there's a new angle that I want to try from like TikTok or something, these two always come in handy. One of the best parts about this phone case is that you can wirelessly still charge your phone. This is amazing because I don't have to often bring cords with me anymore. I just bring my little mini mag from Torras and I'm good. I don't have to worry about it. The phone case did everything that it needed to do. Something cute, really functional, and makes my life easier. When I first got my phone case, I was sharing this with all of my content creator friends, all of my family, everybody, just to find out that so many members of my family already own the phone case. I was out eating with my mom and her boyfriend and my brother, and my mom's boyfriend had his phone up and I was like, is that the Torras phone case? And he's like, yeah. And I was like, I have the exact same one. Like, how is that possible? Can we just give Torras a round of applause? Yeah. Yeah. Now, if you're planning to film podcasts or voiceovers, or you just want to improve the sound quality in your videos, I would highly recommend getting wireless microphones. As you guys can see, I'm using this one right here. This is the DJI Mic 2, and I love this microphone. This one is a very good quality one, and if anything, it's the best one that I've had so far. Like, I love it. It also comes with a very like strong magnet that actually helps you clip to your clothes, but I love speaking into the mic like I'm like holding something. The sound quality on this is insane. I'm gonna allow the camera to face track me and show you guys that honestly these are the best things you could ever invest in. Okay, so we are now in this corner of the bedroom. This is where I have all my cute stuff, and the windows are over here. We are going to walk out into the living room, and you guys will still hear me. And we're going, and we're going, and we're going, and we're going. I wonder if my cat will give us a meow. Meow? Thank you. Now, this buddy is quite expensive, but will I say that it's worth the price? 100%. But what I do know is I think that you have to film on a different like sort of app on your phone if you want to connect it to your iPhone. It needs to have like all these different separate things, which is so annoying for me. I'm here like, why can't it just like Bluetooth connect and like I just start filming? So I only use the DJI Mic 2 on my Osmo Pocket. Other than that, I don't switch the device or anything like that. And if I want to film voiceovers on my phone, I would just go to this one simply from Amazon. They have upgraded and innovated these microphones so freaking much since I bought my first one. They do have a little like transmitter thing too that you plug into your phone, and then they have a clip here, and this does come in a pack of 2. But what I like about this versus the DJI if I'm filming on my phone is that I don't have to film on a third-party app in order to get this mic to work. Next, let's talk lighting. Lighting is probably one of the most important things that you have to pay attention to as a content creator, because honestly, good lighting is going to make or break it for a lot of creators. Lighting creates a vibe, okay? Natural lighting for relatability, area lighting for depth, external lighting equipment for focus. You can play with lighting until you find the perfect fit for your video style. It's always good to pay attention to time and weather if you decide that you want to use natural lighting. There's some days that people recommend they like a very sunny day. I personally like a cloudier day. I like a cloudy, sunny day. I feel like that's when the lighting looks best in my apartment and on video, on my DJI Osmo, and on my iPhone. You have to pay attention to when the sun goes down, because you want to make content before the sun goes down, or you want to make content right before the sun goes down, because if you know, that is the perfect time to take pictures. It's the best time. It's the best lighting. Makes your skin look so soft, everything. Like, I love that time, but that time window is like 30 minutes max. I don't have to deal with overexposure or looking washed out on days where it is slightly cloudy, because I feel like it diffuses the sun the best. I have various lamps all around planted in my apartment. I have the viral globe, donut, mushroom, and other various lamps from like Amazon or something. I love Govee bulbs, okay, because you can control all the light bulbs, all the lighting in your place just from your phone, and I can change the color and how bright they are. Now, if I need a little boost, I will use the Alex Earl light here. This was viral for a reason. It's great, it's portable, and also I find that this doesn't die too fast. So I do love charging her and using her and taking her with me because she's so portable. She is my girl. She always has my back whenever I'm filming any videos where I don't like the lighting. I love that you can change the color warm to cool or how bright you want it to be, and it just clips onto your phone. Now let's talk editing platforms. I edit all of my short form videos on my phone on CapCut, and I actually pay for the pro version of CapCut because it is just so worth it to me as a content creator. I get access to all the features, all the new things, and honestly, it's just a lot faster. I don't have to go through third-party apps to do certain things that I need it to do. CapCut really does have it all. Not only is CapCut very beginner friendly, but it allows you to grow your editing skills. The amount of templates and inspiration that you can get from just TikTok itself is insane, and I find that so many people can get so creative with CapCut, and I'm like, how did you even do that? This is a tip for all my people who film all their videos inside of TikTok. Make sure you save your videos to your phone. Do not just draft them, because TikTok will glitch out and you will lose your footage. I feel like if somebody would have told me a lot earlier, I wouldn't be as stressed as I used to be. Now I save all my videos to my phone no matter what, even if they're not my finishing touches. I will not edit anything out of those videos until they're saved to my phone and I'm editing them on CapCut. Now I can use this to film all of my sit down videos for short form content, but I actually really like using this. This is actually an iPad holder thing, but they have a phone version of this. I used to use this for my iPad. Now it's mainly used to film content at my vanity. Another one that I like to use for my phone is the Air Stick. Now this sticks to like mirrors and stuff like that, so when I'm filming content like in the kitchen or in my bathroom, I typically stick this on like glass all of the time. It does have some space here and has some ridges where your phone can like slightly tilt if you really needed it to, and I do like a tilt because I do like looking taller in my videos. Now, I no longer use typical tripods anymore. I just don't need them because I have so many different gadgets where I can put my phone and get different angles instead of just setting my phone down. I just find that they're very bulky to bring around with me. There are two honorable mentions that I do want to bring up. This is one of my favorite gadgets of all time. This is a SD reader, but for your iPhone. And now I can simply just share all of my pictures that I've taken on my digital camera to all of my friends from the comfort of just my phone. And I don't remember how much this was, but I wish this could share videos as well. This one only shares pictures, but I'm pretty sure there's one out there where I can share my videos from my phone or my Osmo Pocket, and it would just make things 10 times easier, making it easy for me to edit literally on the go. So yeah, I'm probably thinking about getting one that might be able to, but I'm gonna have to do some research. But I will say, digital camera girlies, you need to get yourself one of these. Biggest things that I always have a problem with is storage. So you need a external hard drive. Okay, I upload all of my photos, videos, and everything for the last couple of years onto this hard drive. One of the most important mind shifts that I've had is that you have to make room for new energy to come in, and I've been storing all the old energy in here, okay, not in my current phone, because I need that space and that storage to create, and I don't have time to be worrying about my storage all the time. And you can also edit off of this hard drive from your computer, and it helps just not destroy your computer. I think that every single product that I have recommended in today's video to help you guys are honestly for content creators who are still very shy and want to still get out of their comfort zone but don't want it to be too obvious. The very last thing that I'm going to talk about is actually this Sama Ando bag that you guys have watched me unbox. This holds all of my camera equipment that I need to bring with me on the go. Like literally everything. My Osmo Pocket, everything. The bag is now empty, and I'm going to show you guys everything that it fits, including all my other essential things that I would bring with me when I'm out doing stuff. So we have eyelash glue. We have one of my favorite lip oils, which I'm actually going to put over here. I'm actually going to put this stuff over here. I have a lip balm that I really like. One more lip gloss. A pad. A pack of gum. My wallet. We have my phone and my portable charger. Now, let's say I'm gonna bring all of my digital cameras. One digital camera, two digital camera, hard drive, this thingy, my light, my microphones and the transmitter. This is an extra battery, and I could still fit my Osmo Pocket in here with me and take it. I absolutely love this bag as a camera content creation bag. It's so cute, versatile, has so many pockets, fits all of my camera equipment and more. Plus, it goes with all of my outfits that I wear, and I love that it just doesn't make like content creation so damn obvious. Not that I really even care, but I know some of you guys do. I love this color already, but I need her in just so many more different colors. That is the end of today's video. All of the products will be linked down below for you guys in the description bar. Also, subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode of Baby Steps to Becoming a Creator. I absolutely love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.